What is going on in the crypto markets? This is Jay with Organic Money Mondays, and right now we are having a stock market bleed as well as the cryptocurrency market. For those who never invested, now is the best time ever to invest in cryptocurrency. The cryptocurrency market right now is going through what we call getting skin in the game, right? And right now we're about to hit support levels, especially with Bitcoin, to where it can trajectory and go back up. Right? So if you haven't never invested in Bitcoin, you want to learn about buying cryptocurrency, you want to learn about NFTs, just hit me an inbox or hit my DMs or leave a comment below this YouTube video and let me know what you want to know, and we can set up a time and date to get on the phone. All right? But in this video, we're going to go over what's happening right now in the cryptocurrency world. All right? Stay tuned. Today, the Dow Jones is down 700 points. Not only that, the cryptocurrency market is down 130 billion in the last 24 hours. These markets are bleeding. The thing that's very questionable is that why is the crypto market running in tandem with the stock market? We're going to discuss this right now, right? Today, Bitcoin dropped to 33,000 this morning. It's now at around 34,000. Ethereum dropped down to 2,252,000, which is down around 7%, 7-8%, down 30% in 7 days. We have BNB down around 67%, down 25% in the last 7 days. We have the US coin, which is a stable coin, is only down 0.06%. We have Cardano, which is down 8%, almost 9%. And for the 7 day, it's down for 32%. Ripple, which is XRP, is down to 0.57 cents, which is down 4 cents for the day, and around 23% for the 7 day. Right? So cryptocurrency is supposed to be an alternative to the dollar and what goes on in the stock market. But if you look at what happened in late November when the Federal Reserve Bank came out and gave its plans in the FOMC meeting saying that they were going to cut back on funding, this is when the markets start to decline. Now let me explain this to you on why this is happening. In my last quick video, I expressed how if you don't know what the Federal Reserve Bank is or don't know who the Federal Reserve Bank is, then you're investing blind, which you really are. Because the Federal Reserve Bank has control over the dollar. They have control on how much actually goes in circulation. Unlike Bitcoin, the US dollar does not have a cap. Bitcoin is capped at 21 million. Once we hit that mark, there's no more Bitcoins in circulation. We're already at 19 with Bitcoin. Okay? With the US dollar, as you know, we have government shutdowns to where we hit our ceiling, our debt ceiling. So every time we hit that marker, we end up increasing that influx of cash, which we've printed out a lot of. A lot of people don't realize, but in the last 2 years since the pandemic, we have 80% of the dollars in circulation have been printed out in the last 2 years. All right, we went from a $4 trillion balance sheet before 2020 to a $20 trillion balance sheet, which is insane. This is how we're being robbed of our wealth. That's why it's important that we invest our money into crypto. And like I said earlier, if you haven't never invested in cryptocurrency, now is the time, because what's happening right now is that the crypto space is hitting its bottom support levels. Bitcoin support level, like it can dip to probably around 30K. Right now it's at 33, so it could dip a little more. If you look at this cycle, last time it dipped in July, it was a 93-day decline. Right now we're around at the 73, 75-day decline. All right, so we still might have a few more days for the decline to happen. But this is normal in the crypto space. This is called getting skin in the game. All right, so the reason why I believe that this correlation has happened with Bitcoin and the Wall Street is because you now have what is called derivatives, right? Derivatives mean derived or come from, right? You have a derivative market with cryptocurrency, with Bitcoin, with mining, right? You have these different stocks that Wall Street is able to purchase and buy and sell, and this alters the price in the cryptocurrency market, right? So this is a bittersweet thing, because it's great that the Wall Street money is flowing in, but now the flip side of this is what happens when Wall Street tanks, right? And like I said, the reason why Wall Street is tanking because the Federal Reserve Bank was printing out $120 billion a month. This inflated the stock market as well as the housing market. This is why you had record highs closing with the stock market. The stock market closed over 70-something times record highs last year in closing, okay? Why is it that the stock market is hitting record highs during the midst of a pandemic when you have millions and millions of American workers that's in the workforce that's unable to work? It doesn't make any sense. it does make sense when you calculate the influx of cash that was printed out by the Federal Reserve Bank. And this is why we're having a problem now to where the bubble is actually getting popped with the Fed declining on printing more cash. And they also said they're going to increase interest rates 2 to 3 times this year in 2022, which is going to kill people from wanting to buy a house and take out loans and buy cars and things of that nature. People already don't have it. Increasing interest rates is going to make it more difficult for people to buy, and it's going to be at a higher price, which is not attractive for buyers. Okay? This is the correlation that cryptocurrency market and the stock market have that we have to understand. But it's to not be worried. Do not get worried, because cryptocurrency is still going to be the future. Okay? This is a normal thing right now, what's happening in the cryptocurrency space. And I guarantee you, once this first quarter, before this first quarter is up, we're going to see a huge swing, because you have something that's taking place in the beginning of this year again that's called the Metaverse. The Metaverse is opening within the next 3 months. Between now and the end of March, which is the first quarter of the year, the Metaverse is going to open, right? If you look at the swings that happened back in July, you've seen when it went on that 93-day decline, it was the news that came out that made it propel and go back up to a bull market, all right? So the same thing is going to traject this into another bull market, which is probably going to be the opening of the Metaverse. Again, this is my prediction. I'm not giving any financial advice. This is all my opinions, all right? So this is the video I wanted to make to let you guys know what's going on in the crypto market. You just got to buy the dip, okay? You got to buy the dip. This right now is the best time to buy. Everybody wants to buy cryptocurrency when it's at its highest price. That makes 0 sense. If you've been in a cryptocurrency game for a while, you understand these type of swings happen. That's why a lot of people right now are buying NFTs. What have I been doing while the crypto market is down? I've been purchasing massive NFTs. I've been using my cryptocurrency I have because I don't want to take it out. Why? Because I know cryptocurrency is going to be the future, and it's going to go up exponentially from the price that it is now, right? So you have a lot of people with a lot of money that's stuck in the cryptocurrency space, and what they're doing is just transferring that money over to buy additional assets, right? So if I buy an NFT project and I can X my money from what I bought it for. So say for example, I bought an NFT and Ethereum is around 2,200, but then Ethereum goes to 5,000. So I get to sell my NFT for whatever price higher than what I bought it for, as well as take that increase in the price of Ethereum or whatever cryptocurrency is in. You got it? So this is why a lot of people are going into the NFT space, because you're able to X your money and buy more assets in the cryptocurrency space without having to pay for taxes, because you're not cashing out. All you're doing is reallocating and move your funds around. All right? This is another reason why the NFT market is taking off, because when cryptocurrency prices take back off, so will the NFT markets. All right? This is Jay with Organic Money. Like I said, hopefully I've answered your questions on what's going on in the crypto market. Stay the course, continue to buy the dip. I don't care what you got to do to stay afloat. You got to work at McDonald's. If you have to, find you a job you don't like, that's fine. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. You have to stay afloat. Just stay the course, and I guarantee you, if you continue to purchase cryptocurrency in the next few years, you're going to be one of the happiest people on earth, right? This is like getting in at a great price with this cryptocurrency. We're going to look back at this time and wish we had bought during this dip. If you know any crypto investors that's been around for a while, ask them about the dips and getting skin in the game. And I'm pretty sure they'll tell you they wish they would have had it dump more when the market declined, opposed to waiting for it to go back up. All right? If you have any questions, you want to do a personal one-on-one chat with me, or do a consultation to get a better understanding as to what's going on, feel free to inbox me or DM me, and we can get a one-on-one consultation going on. All right? This is Jay with Organic Money. Hopefully these videos help you understand what's going on in the market and help you stay the course. Peace.